Here's a 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Behind the wheel of the Giulia, you experience the convergence of engineering and emotion. This world-class sports sedan delivers fun-loving driving dynamics showcased in undeniably hot-blooded package. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, AM/FM satellite radio, dual-zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Alfa Romeo has a storied history of building racetrack-inspired vehicles for the street. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.